Hello and welcome, creative people. Right, this shed. Oh, this shed. Look at it. So just neglected, currently unloved, a dumping ground. And my worst but favourite saying is, I'll put it there for just a minute. And the minute lasts weeks, months. It's just crazy. So I got myself out of the denial and thought, right, come on, nice day, rare in England, nice day, this has got to be done. So here we go. I didn't know what I had or where things were, and it was just getting a little bit frustrating. So here's a lovely shed before. There we go. Oh. So I'm just emptying some things out, just so I could move in there basically. I mean, if you do this for your shed, I do recommend taking as much out as you can, but maybe looking a little bit happier about it, unlike me. But anyway, yeah, so try to clean as you go. Things like sweeping, any sawdust, things behind things. It just makes it a lot easier, I think. So this cabinet here is something that was made and I had in my bathroom. It had no back on it because it had the tiles behind it. It's going to be quite heavy, and the wooden slats on the shed aren't really that strong to hold the weight, so I wanted to use the frame. So I had to put an extra bit here so the cabinet wasn't falling forward, just to level it up, because it's actually screwed onto a top joist as well. So it doesn't matter, it's got no back on it, less places for spiders to want to hide, and also creates, you know, airflow and all this, because it can get quite hot and cold in the shed. So I had like a mock log fireplace here because, as I say, it does get quite cold in the shed, but it was overheating because of all the dust, so I passed that on, and then I had to remove obviously all the remnants of it. So here we go. Here's the cupboard that I got for, I think it was a £5, which was okay. I thought it would hold a lot of things because it's got all the shelving in the doors. I probably would have been better off with just a complete cupboard, but you know, for a £5, £5, that's fine. Right, these things here are from IKEA. They're extra rails left over from when I did my small little bedroom with clothes in it. So I thought, well, it'd probably cost more to take it back than to actually keep them. So I think they were £5 each again. Everything's £5 here, isn't it? Yeah, I utilised them and I thought they'd be brilliant for stacking wood. And also they're in 2 halves, so I actually undone the other one and I used that as like a corner shelf. So you'll see. Look how infused I am at sweeping. I think it's the heat, not used to it. And it's great, you know, because now I can see what wood I've got. I was surprised by some of the wood I had. I did get rid of a lot on Facebook Marketplace and free recycle and things like that. So none of it was actually thrown. It was all reused, which is what I like as well. Decided to move this down because I forgot I have smaller pieces of wood as well. Now that looks okay. He's got to do the rest of it now. Yeah, there's a little garden with everything still in there. That was actually in the shed as well that you didn't see at the beginning. So I've got myself some nice boxes, just organising hinges, wood, hooks, brackets, that sort of thing, so I can just go straight to it. Then I realised I've still got this box full of stuff as well. But it's all worth it. Just keep thinking. It's very daunting. Can be very frustrating because you let it get like this, but just crack on. Just look at the task in hand in front of you, in front of your eyes, not what's all around. It'll it's definitely worth it. Just showing you some nice handles here I picked up at a bargain. Got nothing to put them on like, but you know, I might. I'm just taking the old shelving down because I want to utilise that space a little bit better. Go turning it around, just checking there's no spiders inside. I'm just putting up a new shelf at the back. It's quite a rough bit of wood, but I'm just getting most of the shardy splinters off. I don't mind the rustic look, and it's just a shed. It's not like, you know, inside your home or anything, so this is more than enough. I'm just taking down this bunting because every time it hits my head I think it's a massive spider. You may have noticed I seem to have a little thing about spiders. They're okay, I just don't want them like in my hair or on me or anywhere near me. So this thing here is what I did. It's been outside, it's been in the shed. It's basically nails and then wrapped around with some orange cord to create this nice little heart. It sort of pained me to get all these out, but I know it needed to be done because I didn't want to take this down because this was going to be the backdrop for my tools. Go, a lot fresher. Bye bye, eat, sleep, create, repeat board. Now this paint I've had in my shed for I think 4 years. I mean, look at it. Looks like something what Hulk would leave when he was feeling a bit poorly. But anyway, keep stirring and it'll come back to life, look. So I thought, well, I'm never going to use this for anything else. I can't even remember what I bought it for. So I thought I'd do a little bit of detail where I could, just to brighten it up, add a bit of colour. When I say little, I mean like a centimetre strip of littleness. So here we go, some before and after.
All I can was curling up in smoke like a flame. sunny days caress our skin when we begin to thaw. All the white noise fading out to the void of everything we've done. We always make mistakes, but round up just where we began. I might be lost again, but I haven't seen.
I'd really like it if you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!